Hi superstars. Okay, so today I'll be giving you updates on palm oil business and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. I made a promise that whenever there's any change in palm oil business, I'll come out here and notify you, and that's exactly why I'm here. All right, so a lot has been happening in palm oil business in Nigeria, and today I'm here to keep you up to speed so it can enable you make informed decisions. All right, so I'll be telling you the latest trends, the cost of palm oil jerrycans, 25 liters, empty jerrycans, the new one, and the cost of palm oil in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, as at today. All right, my superstars, you are welcome. So let's get started. Okay, so a few days ago, palm oil had reduced in price. Okay, there were lots of rumors that palm oil had reduced. For some reason, I had stepped out for a bit and I got lots of calls that ID, palm oil has reduced, palm oil has reduced. Okay, so I now called my millers and they told me that palm oil had reduced by 2,000 naira. And before I knew it, few days after, I notified a few people who were around me, but my phone I used to create content had issues. That's why I couldn't come out here. If you noticed on Wednesday, I couldn't make videos except videos I had done before now. Okay, so I couldn't create content to inform you people about that change. But before I could say Jack, there was another increase by 1,000 naira. Okay, so that is why I'm here, my superstars, to notify you. Okay, so the price of palm oil had reduced and has still reduced, but it is not much. But first, let's talk about the price of jerry cans. The price of empty 25 liters as at today is 5,200 naira for new ones, and it is not that much available. It is a bit scarce. Okay, if you enter the market right now, the people who sell jerry cans are not that much, so a lot of people are selling at a high rate. Lots of people are selling empty jerry cans at 6,000 naira, but only very few people are selling at 5,200, and these people, before it drops, it has disappeared. Okay, lots of people buy from them and then go and resell. So that is it. Fortunately, I have access to those people, so I know where I can get for you at 5,200 naira for those who are interested in buying palm oil. All right, my superstars. So that brings me back to palm oil. The price of palm oil had reduced to 53,000 naira and increased to 54,000 naira. Lots of people are shouting that palm oil has reduced, palm oil has reduced. Yes, it has reduced. But guess what, my superstars? The grade 1 palm oil is still expensive. Yes, millers have refused to sell grade 1 palm oil at an affordable rate. It has refused to reduce. All you see is the grade 2 palm oil. Okay, it is grade 2 palm oil that has reduced in price and people are buying it. Those who need it for lots and other things, those who need it for production, for other things, you can find grade 2 palm oil. But when it comes to grade 1 palm oil, my superstars, it has not reduced in price. It is 54,000 naira as at today in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Okay, so whenever people tell me, I think palm oil has reduced, I said, really? Really? Okay, if you're after quality, then know it that quality is not reduced, it's not cheap. But if you're okay with other grades, there was someone who reached out to me. I said, would you prefer fiber oil? Fiber oil has reduced in price and people who need it for other things have bought it. But when it comes to grade 1 palm oil, my superstars, it has not reduced in price. So the price for grade 1 palm oil as of today is 54,000 naira against 55,000 naira. Okay, If you are interested, now is the time to buy. I keep saying it, now is the time to buy. After now, when the demand increases again, it is going to kick up again and it will keep going. Okay, it will keep going. Lots of people have kept their grade one palm oil. They said they're not selling till next week because they believe that by next week the price is going to pick up again. Okay, they've milled it and they've kept it. So if you're not ready to buy at their price, they tell you, go, let me keep it. By next week we'll continue again. Okay, so by next week the price is not going to be the same. So for those who are sitting on the fence believing that it is going to keep dropping, it's going to keep dropping, let's hope it does. If it does, I'll rush out here and then I'll notify you. Okay? As that is what I do. Okay, I notify you on changes in palm oil business in Nigeria. Alright, my superstar. So if you need help with getting good palm oil, you can always send me a DM and then we'll get started. Or you can send me an email and then we'll get started. Whichever medium is fine with you, reach out to me and then we'll get started. Alright, my superstars. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I will get right back to you. Alright, thank you for watching, my superstars. Have you given me a thumbs up? Please hit the like button. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.